Next problem. Problem number 24. Hexagonal pyramid, 25 sides of base, 15 axis length, rest on HP on one of its corner of the base. So go back to line command, increase the thickness to 0.5, continuous line, construct a hexagon of 25 sides. So 25 angle 0, 25 angle 60, 25 angle 120, 25 angle 180, 25 angle minus 120, 25 angle minus 60. You can use macros here, but why I'm not using macros, the reason is sometimes it will not work. So to avoid that in the exam time, to avoid that panic condition, I'm explaining you how to do it using manual method. So name the corners. This is your corner A, this will be B, this is C, this is D, E, F, O bracket O, O bracket O1, right? Draw projection line, 0.05 line thickness. Draw projection line D here, here. Angle I wanted 90 degree itself, so no tilting. What is the axis length? Axis length is 50, type 50. Then again from here to here. Then draw dark line, continuous line, 0.5 thickness. Here, here. Split the base, don't draw a line in single shot, right? From here to here and here, right? So I will start this line here itself. Extend from here to here, right? This is axis line style, so change the line style to axis line and name the corner. There's a point B dash. Next, this is C dash of P dash. E dash. This is O1 dash. This is B dash of F dash. And this is A dash. Okay. And this is the point O dash. Right. This is draw the position of the pyramid. An axis of the pyramid is inclined to HP at 40 degree and appears to be inclined to EP at 30 degree. So here, before that, he says resting on one of its corner of the base such that two base edges containing the corner makes equal inclination. Mean to say, corner condition, two base edges. These are the two base edges containing this corner. It says it makes equal inclination. Mean to say, if I extend this line down and if I check the angle of this and this, it makes equal inclination. So by default, it's going to make, so no need to show it. Just it has given me for more clarity, that's all. So no need to worry about it. This is draw the projection of the pyramid. Axis of the pyramid is inclined to HP at 40 degree. So axis is inclined to 40 degree, base will be 90 minus 40, that is 50 degree. Select the entire thing, go to move command, switch on the copy option, take the A point, put it in the second stage, go to rotate command, switch off the copy option, this end as first click, the other side end as second click. Axis inclined 40, base will be 90 minus 40, that is 50 degree. Incline it to 50 degree, extend this axis line back to XY line, and immediately you measure the angle, it shows 50 degree, 40 degree. Okay. Then again go back to line command, reduce the thickness to 0.05 and draw projection line. Okay. So from D, observe carefully, from D over here, CE, this is E point, and this is C point, O1 in the center, BE, B, sorry. Got it. And just a minute. Okay, go back to line command, 0.05 line thickness, just O1 point in the center, B and F, B point over here, F point is over here. Then A point is in the center A. O point tip again, it is in the center A. Then FE, this is E point, this is F point, D, O1, A, O, C, B. Right? Now name the corners. This is your point A. This will be B, C, D, E, F, O1, and O. Right? Draw outermost boundary line dark. Starting from D, D to C, C to B, B to O, O to F, F to E, E to back D. Second step, check the point which you have not touched. A point we have not touched, and A point is on XY line. So it has to be drawn dotted. Go to dotted line style, F to A to B. Again, O to A. This should be a dotted line. The next, O to EDC. EDC is far away from XY line comparative to A. So those lines should be drawn dark. Go back to line, dark line command, here to here, here to here, and again here. It should be drawn dark. O to O1 chain line, O to O1 chain line, from O, draw a line O1 line to chain like this. Right? So this is how you are supposed to do it. The next it says axis appears to be inclined to VP at 30 degree. Please understand, appears to be inclined means he himself is not sure whether it is really inclined 30 degree or not. So appears means maybe or may not be. So when it is maybe or may not be, you need to understand that there is no point in doing bit angle. So whatever the angle they give, directly incline it to that angle and complete the problem. So 0.05 line thickness projection line, angle is minus 30 degree. Draw a line to an angle 30 degree. Select the entire thing. Go to move command. Switch on the copy option. End O point. Put it on the line. Then go back to rotate command. Switch off the copy option. End O point as first click. O1 point as second click. Rotate it here. Right? Then draw projection line from each and every corner. Continuous line. 0.05 line thickness. Do it. O point up to here. A point up to XY line, B point little bit above, move your cursor once here like this, B point little bit above, C little bit above, D beyond that, E back here, F little bit down, right? O1 intermediate, yes, here. Connected from here, this line, from here, this line, CE, E, and C, O1 over here, B and F. So this is F and this is B. A point, anyway, it is on the line already. So name the corner. There's a point A dash, there's the point B dash, there's the point C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash. Okay, and this is O1 dash, and this is O dash. Right? Draw outermost boundary line dark, continuous line, 0.5 thickness. Start from the base. A to B, B to C, C to D, D to O, O to back. Directly, if I draw A, F point is outermost. Just observe this junction. If I directly draw a line to A, you can see F point is slightly outside. So I cannot connect directly to A. I have to go to F and then come back to A. So this is how you draw outermost boundary line dark. E point is left out. E point is very far from XY line. So E point related face should be drawn dark. So F to E, E to D. Then again O to E dark. Then ABC is to be connected. ABC is very, very close to XY line comparative to E. So those lines should be drawn dotted. From where? From O. O to A dotted line. O to B dotted line. O to C dotted line. Then O to O1, chain line. Go to chain line style. From O to O1, it should be a chain. So this is how you solve problem number 24. Hexagonal pyramid appears to be inclined. Okay. Stop the recording.